PT is around and आपके समय की कीमत मैं जानता हूँ. I don't want to spend too much of time. I would just like to tell you two things. I like you to listen to it carefully and have it implemented. पहली चीज तो शायद बहुत सारे लोग आप जानते भी होंगे. The result of the PT depends on the negatives management. अगर negatives ज्यादा होते हैं तो एक स्कोर जो क्लियर होने के लायक होता है वो भी क्लियर नहीं होता है. So what I would like you to advise today is that go back to all the tests that you have given and look at all the questions that has gone wrong. And उस wrong question के reason को you write down. Write down on a piece of paper. Listen to it carefully. ये काम लिख कर करना है, सोचना नहीं है गलत हो गया, ये this is gone wrong and that's it. No. Write down the reason. It'll take some time. I don't have to read the whole questions. You just have to go back to the questions which have gone wrong. I'm not interested in the ones which has gone right and the one you know. It's not the time to learn. It's time to train your mind. So अगर आप लिखते हैं उसको, then your mind is knowing the reason. Hey, this is one reason for which it actually goes wrong. I should not commit that. It is very vital that you write down the reason on a separate sheet and then keep that sheet around. बहुत सारे रीजंस मिलेंगे आपको. ऐसा नहीं कि 500 रीजन मिल जाएंगे, 200 रीजन मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन काफी रीजन मिलेंगे. And if you have written down this reason, the mind has got the training that hey, I should not commit this mistake and my negatives has to be controlled. Second, दो ही बात बताऊंगा. Second चीज जो बहुत ज्यादा वाइटल है, शायद इधर ध्यान जाता नहीं है लोगों का. Lot of time we are having risk aversion. Stakes are big. So we have a risk aversion bias. We like to avoid risks. So अब आपको क्या करना है, उन्हीं टेस्ट्स में जो आपने क्वेश्चन छोड़ दिए हैं उनमें आप अटेम्प्ट लेकर देखें कि कितने सही होते हैं. And I think you'll be surprised to know that a lot of times, lot of things, lot of questions that you thought that they were not going right and they have gone actually right. Your risk has actually to be fine-tuned at this time. और ये नहीं कि हमेशा के लिए रिस्क लेने का आपका स्किल चेंज हो जाएगा. It's not going to change forever, but it is happening when the exam is so close. And you write down the reason why you left it. And then when you write the reason, it is why you left it and the reason was wrong because you have got a right answer in front of you. तो जो भी क्वेश्चन सही हो जाते हैं उनके भी रीजन को लिखिए. I think this is a very vital exercise. A lot of students ignore this, and imagine even a fraction of a mark is very, very important. At this stage, I like you to do this two exercise and let me know that in your comments that how it has actually helped you. I have told this to many students individually and they have got lots of positive reviews about it. I'm going public about these two techniques today. I would like you to write down in a comment that how this technique is helping. If you've got any doubt, you can always write down there and I'll be very happy to get back to you. Best wishes.